All right, guys, I cannot wait any longer. I am so excited. Let me show you what I've got in store for today. Yes, this box, I almost cannot get it in the frame. It is so big. And it is from Ruddy Grooming. Jimmy and his wife are really making a go of this, full-time jobs now. So when he brought his wife on full-time, she's doing all this artwork, which is really cool. So they kind of did a rebrand a few months ago and went to these characters, spirit animals, or whatever you want to call them. But anyway, so we've got a lot of different scents. He's got Ruddy customs that he does, so you can have your own custom character. We've got some collabs that have come out and are going to come out in the future. So really excited. And Jimmy reached out and said, I want to get you all of these new characters that you don't have yet. So I've got a box full of stuff. So we're going to do our best we can to unbox this thing, and I'll probably cut some of it out in between because you have to peel off all the bubble wrap, and then you have to get the little shrink wrap off of that. But I'm going to start diving into this thing, so let's see what we've got. Hope you guys are excited as I am. All right, so we got a lot of this thick bubble wrap. Let's see what we got. Yeah, and when your order doesn't fit on one page, I got all of this and then all of this too. I'm like, oh boy. So I have a feeling we're going to make several videos out of this. We'll probably do a video in the future of me reviewing the scents, and then also probably another video of maybe doing some of the other products, like how the products work, the oil, the summer butter, the wash, conditioner, whatever else I have in here. I think I've got mostly oils because he wanted me to get all the scents to start with, and then probably later on we'll be getting some more things. But let's start diving in to see what we've got. So we got Pillow Talk. And then we've got the collaboration with Mrs. Bluegrass. This one is Cookie Queen. And these aren't too bad to open because we don't have dropper tops anymore. We've got the restrictor tops. So I don't have extra shrink wrap. Party Crasher. I think this is a new one. Figure out the best way to hold this thing. So Party Crasher, you can see there or there. I think that's a rhinoceros. Prize pie. Who doesn't like pie, especially this time of year? It's time for the fresh fruits to start rolling in, strawberry pies and everything else. Man, this box is deep, deep, deep. See what we got next. We've got Midnight. And we've got Southern Gent, which I do think is one of his, I don't know if it's an original scent, but it's been around a long time. Next up, we've got Headmaster. And was this one a DNC? I don't remember if that was a DNC collaboration or not. I don't see his logo on it. Something's starting to smell good. I don't know where it's coming from. Another new one is called the Showman. Yeah, the Showman. It's going to take a while to get through all these scents, guys, but I'm going to do it. See what we've got next. We've got the Dapper Fox. There it goes. And the newly redesigned Shipwreck. I think they had a different animal on it. till recently. So Shipwreck, that one's been around a long time. I think that was one of his favorite best sellers there for a long time when he started. Oh, we got one of the new, I think this was a seasonal scent, or it was maybe it was a Ruddy custom that he made a small run on. Not sure. That was Chin Music. Got the baseball theme to it. I'm going to run out of room to sit all this stuff, guys. And then we've got Mr. Bluegrass. All right. Bluegrass Beard. Here's Derby Day. That's his collaboration. Let's see what else I've got in here. There's nothing better than beard mail, guys. You guys agree with me? River Runner. I think that might be part of the Sawyer series. Yep, part of the Sawyer series. Everything just looks great. Looks great. The Bartender. The people were going crazy over that one when it first came out a couple months ago when I did my March Madness live stream. I think that scent had just been released, or the scent profile had been released. I think it's got root beer in it. Now, I'm not a fan of drinking root beer, but we'll see how the rest of this goes with the beard oil scent. Well, these have dropper tops on it. So this one is Small Batch Bully. And that one does have a dropper top, so that's interesting. And with the shrink wrap. So let me pop the shrink wrap off. Oh, and we got the Ruddy Slush Tester. Am I supposed to show that? I don't know if I'm supposed to show that. If I'm not supposed to show that, then please, I would like to have it stricken from the record. Forget you saw that. The Ruddy Slush has been around. I think that was a seasonal scent from a while back, a year or two ago maybe. I got a couple of, it looks like butters. So we got the Bartender Ruddy Butter. I did put this in the refrigerator when I got it, so I'm not sure what kind of shape it may have shown up in. And we've got the Cookie Queen. I ordered the Cookie Queen combo with the oil and butter. Show some support there for the bluegrasses. Plus the strawberry cookies. I mean, that's got to be good. That's got to be good. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so now it looks like I've got the Summer Butter. It's liquid butter, so it still has shea in it, but I think if I remember correctly, it's shea oleine, which is a liquid form of shea. So that'll be interesting. Let's see how that works. I've never had that before. And then we've got the Brass Tacks, which is unscented in the Conditioning Beard Shampoo. All right, Conditioning Beard Shampoo. Man, he's got a good looking theme, good labels, good artwork, and it's done in-house. I mean, can't beat that. Oh, this has got all of the restrictor tops in it. So you put all the little restrictors in. Oh, I've got one that's I can't show you the other side of the label yet, but I got a little tester or something there. Let's see what else I can reach for down in here. Getting close to the bottom. Looks like I got a couple of balms to try out. So I've got matching balms for the Prized Pie. And Bartender. So there we go. And then looks like one more package of things here. So we got the Dapper Fox, and that is the body wash, daily shower body wash. I didn't know he had body wash. Okay. And that's the Dapper Fox is peppermint, tea tree, spruce, and lavender, which sounds like a great shower scent. And then we've got Daily Beard Shower Conditioner. All right, make sure I don't get these mixed up. So this other one was shampoo I got in the brass tacks, and then this was daily beard shower conditioner, and that is in the Dapper Fox scent, which would, it's like a good, I think I'm out. Hope I didn't break them all. I didn't break them. Nothing was open either, so we're in good shape. I was trying to move that big box out of the way. All right, should I sniff all these things? I think it's going to be too overwhelming for me to sniff all these things, but be looking for some videos soon. I think probably what we'll do is we'll go over the scents in one video, and then we'll take another video and talk about the products themselves and how they work for me. And then if I need to do, if I have an urge or a need to do another video, we can probably do that. So look for at least 2 videos coming, one for scents and then one for the products and the feeling beard and all that kind of stuff. All right, I'll give you all the breakdown of the price and the ingredients and all of that. But guys, this artwork and the labels are super dope. I just don't have know what else to say, guys. I'm kind of overwhelmed with as much stuff as I've gotten. So it's kind of hard to figure out what I like and what I don't like because I haven't tried stuff yet. But just to let you guys know, I am an affiliate with Ruddy Man, so you can save 15% with Banjo 15. So I'm going to be diving deep and be looking for, I won't say soon, but be looking for videos in the future. Maybe in about a month from now, we'll start to kind of wrap our brains around this a little bit. I got a lot of other videos to put out before that. But Jimmy, thank you for your friendship. Hopefully I can do you some justice here and spread the good word and give you some feedback. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video.